Well, good afternoon, wherever you're at in the world. Hope everybody's being kind to each other and being nice and staying warm. Well, I thought I would take the opportunity to see if I could make it to the beehives. And yeah, I have ice cleats on my boots, which is kind of cool, which really work well. Anyway, that's enough about the ice cleats, and here we are at the beehives. Look pretty well frozen in. Now the question is, do we remove the ice and snow from the entrance? It's supposed to do a big thaw on Tuesday, I believe, from my understanding. So well, maybe we'll research this, Google this. Yeah, still learning. That's not good. You see this here? Huh. Wow. What was that? I thought we're all pretty well, yeah, locked in ice. We'll see who survived when it warms up, eh? And maybe they did. And maybe they didn't. Yeah, it's a frigid day, but boredom got the best of me and I have to get outside. So, but there is quite a lot of ice and snow on the entrance of all of them. Well, folks, be kind to each other, stay warm, and catch you next time.